Hey everyone, if you're a travel enthusiast with a love for the environment, I've got something special for you today. We're talking about 5 unbelievable eco-friendly destinations that will blow your mind. Grab your gear and let's dive in. First up, Costa Rica. This Central American gem is a leader in ecotourism, with over 25% of its land dedicated to protected parks and reserves. It's a paradise for nature lovers. You can zip line through lush forests, relax in natural hot springs, and even stay in eco-lodges that blend seamlessly with the environment. Trust me, it's a dream come true for any green traveler. Next, let's head over to Iceland. Known for its stunning landscapes and geothermal energy, Iceland is practically synonymous with sustainable travel. Imagine soaking in the Blue Lagoon, hiking on glaciers, and visiting eco-friendly farms that offer farm-to-table dining experiences. It's not just a trip, it's an immersion in nature's purest forms. On to Bhutan. This Himalayan kingdom is not only breathtaking, but also a global leader in environmental conservation. Bhutan measures its success based on gross national happiness, and a big part of that is their commitment to preserving nature. Trek through pristine forests, visit ancient monasteries, and experience a culture that truly values sustainability. It's like stepping into a utopia. Fourth on our list is New Zealand. This country is not only famous for its dramatic landscapes, but also its commitment to eco-friendly practices. From the rolling hills of Hobbiton to the majestic fjords of Milford Sound, New Zealand offers a mix of beauty and sustainability. You can explore through eco-tours, stay in green certified accommodations, and even participate in conservation projects. It's an adventure that gives back. Last but definitely not least, we have Slovenia. Often overlooked, this European gem is making waves in the world of sustainable travel. Slovenia boasts green certified destinations, eco-friendly hotels, and initiatives to preserve its stunning lakes and forests. Whether you're kayaking in Lake Bled or hiking through Triglav National Park, you're contributing to a country that values and protects its natural beauty. So, there you have it. 5 unbelievable eco-friendly destinations that are perfect for sustainable travelers like you. Remember, traveling green doesn't mean sacrificing adventure or comfort. In fact, it often means experiencing the world in a deeper, more meaningful way. Pack your bags sustainably and get ready for the trip of a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel tips and eco-friendly destinations. See you in the next video.